Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today I would like to talk about a special group of verbs, the non-separable verbs. We have seen already some of them in my mini stories, and today we are going to take a closer look. To see how I use mini stories to teach you German for beginners, just click on the first link in the description. In German we can extend many verbs with prefixes. The prefixes changes the meaning of the verb, but let's look at an example. Here we have the verb kommen, to come, just as a usual verb without any prefix. But let's add a prefix now, as in bekommen, to get. You see, the meaning of the verb changes completely, and the verb now belongs to the group of non-separable verbs. But unfortunately, once again, that's not all in German, because there are also separable prefixes, as in ankommen, to arrive. But that will be a topic in one of my next videos. Today it's all about the non-separable verbs. So now, how do we conjugate these verbs? Let's start with the present tense. And here everything is the same like for a regular verb. The first person singular is ich bekomme. And here again is an example sentence. Ich bekomme Geld. I get money. The background is green because the verb is regular, and the subject is also green and therefore in the nominative case. And Geld is the direct object and therefore in the accusative case and blue. So the rest in the singular is conjugated quite normally. Du bekommst, bekommt. So we add st and t. The same in the plural. Wir bekommen Geld, we get money. And then ihr bekommt, sie bekommen. But now let's look what happens in the perfect. Please remember that we need an auxiliary verb in the perfect. And the first person singular is as follows. Ich habe bekommen. Ich habe Geld bekommen. Literally, I have money got. And the special thing here is that the participle bekommen doesn't use the prefix ge like a normal verb. And and this is normally this task of the ge is the work of the non-separable prefix be. And the rest in singular is du hast bekommen, hat bekommen. The same in the plural. Wir haben bekommen. Wir haben Geld bekommen. Literally, we have money got. And then, ihr habt bekommen und sie haben bekommen. So what happens if we have a modal verb? For example, wollen, to want. Here's actually no surprise. And the first person is ich will bekommen. Ich will Geld bekommen. I want to money get. So just remember that the infinitive of the main verb is just at the end of the sentence. So the rest is in singular. Du willst bekommen. Will bekommen. And the same thing for the plural. Wir wollen bekommen. Wir wollen Geld bekommen. Literally, we want to money get. And then followed by ihr wollt bekommen und sie wollen bekommen. In our example verb bekommen, we use the prefix be. But there are other prefixes, they are not separable. And here are a few other examples. We have an er in the verb erklären, to explain. And here is an example in the present tense. Du erklärst. Du erklärst etwas. You explain something. The perfect reads as follows. Du hast erklärt. Du hast etwas erklärt. Literally, you have something explained. And again, no prefix, ge. And here our modal verb. Du willst erklären. Du willst etwas erklären. You want to something explain. Okay, our next prefix ist ver. As in verkaufen. To sell. Präsens, er verkauft. Er verkauft das Haus. He sells the house. Perfekt. Er hat verkauft. Er hat das Haus verkauft. He has the house sold. Modalverb. Er will verkaufen. Er will das Haus verkaufen. He wants the house sell. Our next prefix is ge, as in gewinnen, to win. Präsens, wir gewinnen. Wir gewinnen immer. We win always. Perfekt. Wir haben gewonnen. Wir haben immer gewonnen. We have always won. So here please be careful because here the participle is irregular. But it doesn't depend on the prefix. It's just an irregular verb. Modalverb. Wir wollen gewinnen. Wir wollen immer gewinnen. We want to always win. Our next prefix is end. As in entdecken. To discover. Präsens. Ihr entdeckt. Ihr entdeckt eine Insel. You all discover an island. Perfekt. Ihr habt entdeckt. Ihr habt eine Insel entdeckt. You all have an island discovered. Und Modalverb, ihr wollt entdecken, ihr wollt eine Insel entdecken. You all want to an island discover. Our next prefix ist zer. As in zerstören. To destroy. Präsens. Sie zerstören. Sie zerstören das Glas. They destroy the glass. Perfekt. Sie haben zerstört. Sie haben das Glas zerstört. They have the glass destroyed. Modalverb. Sie wollen zerstören. Sie wollen das Glas zerstören. They want to the glass destroy. Yeah, these are the most important non-separable prefixes. But there are a few more such as miss and amp. So please don't forget that these verbs, that verbs with these prefixes are not separable. And they are a special group besides verbs without prefixes and verbs with separable prefixes. And that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. And that you don't miss anything, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and to activate the bell. I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy and thank you very much for watching my video.